Welcome to this tutorial on tips for using the Fifth Third Bank mobile app. This guide will walk you through the key features and best practices to help you get the most out of the app. First, download and install the Fifth Third Bank mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and log in using your username and password. If you are a new user, you can enroll in mobile banking directly from the app. The home screen of the app provides an overview of your accounts, including checking, savings, and credit card accounts. You can view your account balances, transaction history, and pending transactions. To view more details about a specific account, simply tap on the account name. To transfer funds, select the transfer option from the menu and choose the accounts you want to transfer from and to. Enter the transfer amount and select the transfer date. You can also set up recurring transfers for regular payments. The Fifth Third Bank mobile app also allows you to pay bills and send money to friends and family. To pay a bill, select the Pay Bills option and choose the biller from the list of approved billers. Enter the payment amount and due date, and confirm the payment. To send money, select the Send Money option and choose the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if needed. The recipient will receive an email or text with instructions on how to claim the money. The app also provides a range of security features to protect your accounts, including two-factor authentication and account alerts. You can set up alerts to notify you of low account balances, large transactions, and other account activity. To get the most out of the Fifth Third Bank mobile app, make sure to keep your device and app up to date. Use strong passwords and keep them confidential. And monitor your accounts regularly for suspicious activity. By following these tips and best practices, you can enjoy the convenience and security of mobile banking with Fifth Third Bank.